Okay, we are going to open up our app and go into we're going to go over the accent lighting. So at the very bottom, there are all of our different tabs with list, pattern, accent, schedule. You hit the accent tab, it'll start to pop up, and you have to look where your zones are, and you'll get a light that's blinking. So you can see that light. What I'm doing right now is I'm moving it, along in the order that I want it to be. So I can move this along till I get it right on a corner of the house, and then I can set that, and then I can tick along to where I want something else, maybe up in the top of the peak of the house to make it look cool. And I can set that one, and then I can tick along till I get to the next set of where I want it to go. Set this one down in the corner too, and I can set that. And you can just go along. You can set them whatever distance you want. Obviously, it's easy to go in and manipulate the lights to be whichever position you want. Now, to change the color of them, you can go tap on that little accent box. Maybe choose pink, done, and then maybe I want the top peak one to be a pink one. So I'll go over and select it. The circle means it's selected, and I'll set that. So that's pink up there, and the rest won't be. And I'll go along, tick along, and I want this one over here to be pink too. And so, well, now I'm tired of that color, so I want to go green. So I'll do a green one, and I'll go and I'll set it right there on that corner. So you can literally go through and select each individual color you want. Now, most people won't go that in depth. They'll just set up their accent lighting. But as you can see, I can just click each light that I want to save. And these are typically, like for a pattern, if you want to zone out that top part as green, if you're a Seattle Seahawks fan. Now you want this other section to be blue. You can go along and set all those, and set them along, and set those all as blue. And there you can get like custom patterns, you zone out your house and custom designs and things like that. And then you'll go to your save tab, and you'll just save it either in your accent category and save whatever name you want, hit save.